All right, we're still here putting up Christmas tree stuff, or at least she is.
Yes.
I'm coaching. I'm the motivator.
I only ask.
What do you got going on?
This one, I connect this to this extension here, so I can put this one together in this.
You cannot?
I can.
You can?
That's why I use two connections for that one.
All right.
So you will see what I want to tell you, what I want to happen.
Okay.
When it's turned dark.
Yeah, see, she gets something in her mind, and I try to pull it out of her mind, and it takes more time probably for me to pull it out of her mind than it does for her to just bring her image to a reality. You know?
Just let me do it, and then
that's it. That's it.
It shows. You will find out later when
exactly.
it's on it.
I'll just let you make the vision a reality.
I'm tangling this one because this one actually, and I have another one. You will see later.
Right on. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
From Kubo until inside the house.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is always fun. Twisting friggin' Christmas tree lights.
I messed up the other day, that's why I stopped doing it.
Yeah. So how long? You've been doing this now for almost 2 hours at the house here?
Yeah.
Outside, whatever?
Because I have to find something for
It's
the
looking good.
connection of my outlet.
So these are like little styrofoam balls up here. She went out to the craft store, or actually what, the stationery store, and found these little styrofoam balls. We went online to see if they had them like at Lazada or Shopee, and they did.
So
But man, they're really expensive. It was actually the shipping that cost the most. So we're like, oh, there's got to be a better alternative to that. So
I said, why not just go and buy it? Go and check at in CSI or at the stationery store if they have. So
yeah,
why, if you spend the hundreds for the shipping, then why don't you just spend the 100 for the tribe?
yep,
Go and
exactly. And this is actually our second Christmas tree right here.
bigger one also.
We have a really much larger one, but we kind of like this smaller one. It's just easier to work with.
And we don't have enough space.
Yeah, we got kind of a small house, so we just bring this one into our outdoor living space and put it on top of a table with a nice Christmas tablecloth. Our other house was a little bit bigger, so we had room to put the big Christmas tree and whatnot, but not here. But oh well, we make do. We make do. And then yeah.
And we will see how the lighting later.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll flip on the Christmas lights after it gets dark, and then we'll kind of see what the finished product looks like.
Since I'm not going to cook dinner tonight, so
Yep.
I have to spend my time. I have to finish this one so I can do another thing.
Yeah.
I have so many laundries also.
We got a lot of leftover. Yeah, we got a lot of leftover food from yesterday Thanksgiving. So didn't look like a lot when we had it out on the table initially, but boy, once we dug into it and started eating, it was like, holy cow!
Especially the
That's a lot.
salad. I make half kilo,
Yeah.
so only 2 of us.
And I'm not used to eating like that, heavy meals, you know.
Especially during nighttime.
Exactly. But it was good. It was fantastic. It was wonderful. But, yeah, we'll just eat that for tonight. Probably tomorrow also, but we'll see.
And we don't really eat
There's the water guy. Is that a water guy?
No.
No.
Another guy.
Alright.
We don't really eat the heavy meal during daytime.
No.
Unless we only ate sandwich or salad at night
Yep.
for dinner. So we have some.
It's a reef. Yep.
We need to eat at least a solid food once a day.
Yeah. And we got this little inversion table.
Who wants it? Come
It's not. Yeah. Who wants it? We're not gonna keep it. It's just taking up too much space right now. But it's brand new. We've only used it like once or twice.
Only one.
Anybody wants it, come and buy it. Yeah, we're not gonna give it away, obviously, but perfect condition. We keep it inside, and we keep it clean.
Price.
Yeah. So.
Just to get rid of it, name your price.
Yeah, exactly right. Okay, well, we'll come back afterwards once we get everything set up and once the sun goes down. And yeah, it's just one of those days after, day after Thanksgiving days. We're just kind of.
Yeah, I'm fixing all this because after 1 week we're going to Mount Pinatubo.
Yep, we'll be ready for that.
Already scheduled, so we cannot cancel it again as we paid some already.
No, we're not. No, heck no. So, all right, we'll be back. See you in a few.
Yep.
All right, so we're checking back to see what we got going on here. She was hanging up some lights up on the ceiling there, and finishing up the tree, putting the star on the top. And it's looking pretty darn good, I think. Got the stockings up. E for Eric, E for Eden. And then, what do we got over here?
J. No.
J for Jam Jam. We don't have K for Kimchi yet. She's a newbie. So we got to go get her a K stocking. So the dogs each have their stocking. Those are our kids, basically. So we got to make sure they are included in all the Christmas festivities. So there you have it. There's the indoor lights. Looks pretty darn good, huh? Good job, babe. Where you at?
I'm here fooling myself.
This is something I'm definitely not used to, is it being, well, I'm used to it now, but I guess you could say it took a little bit of adjustment to get used to the Christmas season being hot instead of cold, which I'm used to. All right. Once it gets dark, we'll head outside and see what things are looking like out there. All right, hon. Good job so far, babe.
Thank you. That is my thing for the whole day.
Cool.
Climbing on the ceiling. Connecting the lights in every end, just to get them work in one time.
You did very well, babe. Gosh, she cooked Thanksgiving Day dinner yesterday, and now she's doing all this Christmas stuff. She can't sit still, I tell you.
That's my job, being.
That's her job. No, it's not your job being my wife. It's just. But thank you, babe. Thanks, hon. Looks great. We'll go outside once it gets dark.
So the missing items here are the present, Christmas present.
Oh, that's okay. That's where I come in, right? All right, we're back. Hopefully you can all see this. This is the finished product. This is what Eden has accomplished today. Did some lights up on the ceiling, which I think I showed you earlier. We got the Christmas tree pretty much finished, it looks like. Christmas stockings, the bulbs, all the bulbs hanging up there. It's pretty darn nice, huh? Let's see if I can. Okay, that's kind of leading outside. There's the outside of the door. Alright, we'll swing around the other side. Okay, then she did the Kubo. Put some lights up around the Kubo. So I'm out on a small street in front of our house. Looking in. Come up to our gate. Come inside here. The dog's acting goofy. Alright, so there's the Kubo again. Got the lights strung up there. She started it back. She started the string of lights back there. Moved them around to the front here. Brought the lights back over the along the long side of the Kubo. Jumped them up over the extended roof. Brought them across. And then brought them in. Up over there, and then finished it up right up there. Plugged it into an extension cord coming from the inside of the house. And then connected all this.
You have no idea.
Oh yeah, you're working. And then of course everything in there, Christmas tree lights and all that stuff we just showed you inside. So yeah, turned out really nice. I'm impressed, babe.
Thank you.
Did a wonderful job once again. So there you go. She's not only a chef, but she's an interior and exterior Christmas decorator. Nice. Freaking pretty sweet, huh? All right, take a bow, hon. Nice work, babe.
I'm so tired the full day.
I know. Isn't it great, though? We got leftovers from Thanksgiving, so
I know.
all we have to do is throw something in the microwave, throw stuff in the microwave, whatever, and we're done. All right, guys. That's about it. Knucklehead number 2. Knucklehead number 1. Signing off for now. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching. That's her butt there. Knucklehead number 2. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.